Water is essential for poultry, as it plays a vital role in digestion, temperature regulation, and nutrient absorption. The water requirement for poultry birds varies depending on their age, size, the diet, environmental conditions, and type, e.g., layers, broilers. Here's a general guide for water requirements. 1. Chicks 0 to 6 weeks. Chicks require about 2 to 2.5 times as much water as feed intake by weight. In hot climates, water consumption may increase to help them cool down. 2. Broilers. Early stages 1 to 3 weeks. 100 to 200 ml per bird per day. Growing stages 4 to 6 weeks, 200 to 400 ml per bird per day. Finishing stages 7 weeks and above, 400 to 600 ml per bird per day. 3. Layers. Water requirement increases as they start laying eggs, typically needing 250 to 300 ml per bird per day. In hot weather, water intake can increase significantly, sometimes up to twice the normal rate. 4. Factors influencing water intake. Temperature. As temperature increases, birds drink more water to cool down. At 30 deg C 86 def, water intake can double compared to normal temperatures. Feed. High protein or salty diets can increase water intake. Health. Sick birds may drink less water, while some diseases can cause excessive drinking. Ensuring clean, fresh, and accessible water at all times is critical to maintaining healthy poultry. Also endeavor to provide your birds with safe and pure water by addition of water purification tablets to their water to eliminate any harmful and disease-causing microorganism. Purchase water purification tablets from Elico, Agrovit, and Farms Limited Store nationwide.